Let's learn adjectives. If you were an adjective, you would be colorful. Colorful balloons are flying. Brilliant. Look at the brilliant colors. Dazzling. Dazzling stars in the sky. Feathery. Look at the feathery tail. Slimy. Slimy snail on the move. If you were an adjective, you would describe things. Look at the colorful peacock's tail, it's big and bright. If you were an adjective, you can compare things. You change your ending to show what is bigger, smaller, or different. The turtle is small. The tree frog is smaller. The lion is fast. The antelope is faster. Answer the question and tell me in the comments which one is an adjective. It's okay to make mistakes. See you next time. Bye.